Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. I had just made a mower pickup run at one of my scrappers. He had this Troy-Bilt 21-inch cut for me, and then he also threw in a couple more in the deal that he recently picked up. I've got a 1992 Briggs & Stratton Edger. I looked at the fuel tank and the fuel is brown, so I'm not going to start that one. I'll clean the tank and the carburetor and then try to start the 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. The Troy-Bilt is missing the spark plug, so I won't be able to test that one. The front wheel drive is severely worn out and the axle feels wobbly, so I'll have to investigate the front wheel drive on this one. So this is a 2011 model year on the Troy-Bilt, and it's seen a lot of use. Here's a regular Troy-Bilt pusher, 6.5 horsepower. This is a 2005 model year. It's got fuel in the tank. So let me go ahead and prime this one and see if it starts. I have happy juice on the standby if we are unsuccessful. Pretty rough on the air filter, so I would say maintenance is at the minimum on this Troy-Bilt. So it started with a shot of happy juice, so it'll need a carburetor clean. Kind of smoky at startup. Let me go ahead and check the oil level. The crankcase may be overfilled. It's where it should be. So I'll have to see about that excessive oil burn off. The next candidate for restoration is this 21-inch Murray with a 5 horsepower Briggs. This is a 2016 model year. Let me prime this one and see what we got. Needs an air filter. So that one started with a shot of Happy Juice, so that'll be another carb clean. The handle had a lot of vibration in it, so I'm assuming the blade is bent on this one. Usually when the blade is bent, it's unbalanced and it'll create a vibration in the machine. So I'll check the blade on this Murray 21. So we got a couple of carb clean units, both the Murray here and the Troy-Bilt pusher. The Troy-Bilt self-propelled, I'll have to put a spark plug in it and then see what this thing will do. So I don't know if somebody attempted to try to rectify this. They may have already been in the carburetor. So we'll take a look at this, see what we need to do on the 2011 model year Troy-Bilt. The edger is just going to be a carb clean to start with. With the contaminated or stale fuel right away, I'm assuming this thing just sat too long, so I don't think I'll have an issue with the edger. I'll degrease this one first and then carb clean. So there you have it. I appreciate you kids and cadets coming out and looking at these 4 fine beauties that I'll start working on shortly. Have a great week. Come back and see me. Thank you.